From 6 p.m. this Tuesday, restrictions are being extended in 4 more Welsh local authority areas: in Blaenau Gwent, Bridgend, Merthyr Tydfil and Newport, following a sharp rise in cases in those areas. I know that this will raise questions for teachers, school staff, college staff, pupils and families in those areas, or for people in those areas who need to travel to another area to work or to study. I want to remind you that although there are travel restrictions in and out of the local authority areas, people can travel if it is for work or for education or for childcare. So, for families, if you live in one of these 6 local authority areas, but your child goes to school, college or childcare in another area, they should still go as long as they don't have symptoms and have not been asked to self-isolate. Your child can also still travel into one of these areas to go to school or college if you live outside of that area. Equally, for teachers and education staff, as long as you do not have coronavirus symptoms and have not been asked or advised to self-isolate, you should travel in or out of the area to work. For the Welsh Government, keeping schools and colleges open remains a key priority. This is vital for our young people's education and their overall well-being. I also want to remind you that transmission rates within schools remain extremely low. Evidence here, and indeed worldwide, shows that there is no significant relationship between schools reopening and COVID cases in the community. So please, continue to follow the latest guidelines and take extra care to keep yourselves and each other safe.